Hey kids, I'm Nature Nate, and today we're going to be observing creative writers. Today we're going to be observing creative writers. Right here is a prime example of what their diet consists of. Oh look, here comes one now. Crocky, mate, what a specimen. Let's follow him and see what he does. Nature Nate here, and now we're observing the grouping habits of the creative writer. See how they study in packs. There's the alpha male, and there's the pack right there. I think they're having one come up to see if he can join. Eating bark. Crocky, I think they've accepted him into the group. He's gonna be the lower end of the group until the alpha male actually accepts him. I think he spotted me. Crocky, hold on. I think I'm gonna sneak up on him, see if I've tagged him before. Crocky! Seem to have stunned him. And if you get a look up here, you can see the tag right there on his ear. I've been to this one before. Now they seem to be scattering, so I think I'm gonna get out of here. This is Nature Nate, signing out, kids.
What's up, Nate?